Learning from disciplined inquiry is our fifth principle. We talked earlier about the growing chasm between our aspirations and what we can routinely accomplish. We've also described how our field has a penchant for implementing fast and wide and learning slowly, and some people would say actually we learn close to accidentally. Implement fast and learning slow has deep-sixed many good ideas. Instead, we want to learn fast and implement well. Making the right changes requires us to be deliberate and disciplined. Improvement typically involves multiple cycles of inquiry. We have an hypothesis about change, we make a prediction and about what should happen. We move through cycles of hypothesizing, prototyping, testing, and revising, and sometimes we get it right, but there will be failures. Learning from failures is essential to getting quality outcomes. An improvement ethos requires us to start small, learn quickly while minimizing cost. At the beginning, we don't want to disrupt too many people's lives, spend a lot of money, or take a long time. This means being very deliberate about how we expand the scope of improvement efforts. As we make promising changes, we move to more and more diverse contexts. We literally are trying to break our innovations as we go along. We want to learn from them, and we want to learn where they work and who they work for and where they do not work. In the central line case, as Tony said, they began by observing central line infections and engaging a team in one unit in the hospital. Whenever they found an infection, they would cycle back and figure out what went wrong. When they were successful in eliminating infections in one unit, they would then take the work to another unit and engage in the same kind of process until they were able to spread these innovations to an entire hospital and reduce central line infections to zero. This is how quality improvement produces change at scale, through deliberate inquiry and analysis.